they stuck? Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is where we learn how to use the brake. Use the brake. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is beach day. Gabriel took Isabella to the store really quick and he's gonna be back any moment. My life is literally all about rushing around and trying to get things done. Did my hair in a cute beach style, try to get my hair out of my face kind of look. Look at these little rows that I did. They're so cute. I flipped 6 little sections. I flipped them. I just took the hairs and then I put it in a pony and then I flipped that underneath, tightened it, boom. This is what I'm gonna put on my face today. Literally, that's it. I'm trying to get as much of a tan as I possibly can, you guys, before this baby comes. I've been wanting to do outside activities, but honestly, nothing has been allowing us to. Everything kind of just gets canceled, or like the weather, like global warming is really on something this year. Like, we really chose today to go to the beach. Alexa, what's the weather today?
The current weather is 68 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 78 degrees and a low of 55 degrees.
Like what? We're just gonna make the best out of it. But baby comes in 3 weeks. So I'm just trying to do as much as I can. Get out there and have fun before I'm on house arrest. We got Gabriel blowing up the pool. Isabella went straight to work. She did not waste no time. Because she's so quiet, that's how we know she's definitely having a good time. Got our little speakers, my tripod for content, a hat, even though literally forecast is like, look at the clouds. There's nobody here. What time is it right now? Yeah, 1:10. But we got our snacks, we got our towels, sunscreen. I gotta go put on her bathing suit. We packed the diaper bag, and then Gabriel made sure to pack his drinks, and then my drinks. Water, hello water. Well, I got my bathing suit on, so does he. We gotta get yours on, baby. Ready?
Try to fill this up.
Oh yeah, and then Isabella's toys.
Alright guys. One more time for you. Alright, napjack.
So far, it's been like sunny on and off, but what I like about that is that there's really hardly anybody here. Still would have been nice to get a tan, but we're just waiting now for his family. I'm trying so hard not to eat these trays of snacks that we brought, but it's really hard. We had all agreed that we were going to split our food. His mom was gonna bring sandwiches and his aunt was gonna bring like chips and something else. This was our tray, but I'm like, oh my god, I'm so hungry. So sorry guys.
Because they got it like that. They didn't like
Take a picture.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
I want to
Hi.
Gonna go over there now.
Dada cheese. Are they stuck? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, there they go.
Gabriel.
Isabella. Baby, come here.
She wanted to fucking jump. She was on my lap in the front. She wanted to jump in the water.
Don't get out of there. Don't.
Oh no. I'm gonna go wash it. Come on. Over there. Over there.
Where is that, Waze?
I don't know.
Yes. They got it right.
That's okay.
They got it right.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Totally.
Nope.
That gray car.
You guys keep walking. Is it not that far?
It's not.
Oh, far. I think it's an adventure.
I'm bigger. I wouldn't mind walking. Destiny and Gabe.
It's not her fault. It's Gabriel's fault. What? Coming over here?
I said I wouldn't mind walking, but Destiny and Gabe. So this way. That way. You don't hear the music, Gabe?
Right?
Yeah, I like it. It's really pretty.
Anyway, look. Over the fucking pond? I don't know.
I'd be too scared. Oh, the music's over there.
Yeah.
See, they have the little paddle boats over there.
Liz saw paddle boats.
They're right there. That's
And
so cool.
she said they're glow in the dark.
Gotta come back.
Maybe we could do it when it gets dark.
Yeah.
They got a paloma.
No, wait. This one's me. Okay.
I need this one.
It doesn't fit? Yeah. Oh my god, how cute are Oh my god.
I'm slipping out.
Babe! Babe!
Damn. We just
The water broke.
The water broke. So they decided to steer. See how this is gonna work out. Putting them feet to work. You tired yet?
Oh god.
I do a whole bunch of switching over here.
There's too many mosquitoes.
This transition is gonna be so funny.
You gotta wait! We're going off the track, guys. Ew.
We can't go slow. We gotta go.
Hey, over here, guys.
How
Fuck
relaxing.
mosquito.
Oh, this is so great. Oh yeah, guys. Keep going. Keep going.
Got it.
Look,
You're
now
doing amazing, sweetie.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is where we learn how to use the brake.
Okay, okay,
We're
okay.
not pedaling.
Use the brake.
You guys.
Slow it down. Use the brake.
Why
Don't
are
do
you
that.
I'm not even pedaling.
You have to use the brake.
We don't need the brake.
That's it.
Probably whatever you get.
Pretty decent.
Yeah?
Really bad.
But you gotta figure probably like every other weekend you'd be working. Oh wow.